Hazrat Abu Musa Ashari radiyallahu anhu states, one day Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was sitting reclined in one of the gardens of Medina Munawwara and scratching the mud with a stick. A man asked to open the gate. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, open the gate and give him the glad tidings of paradise. Hazrat Musa Ashari radiyallahu anhu said, he was Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu. I opened the gate for him and gave him the glad tidings of paradise. Then another man requested to open the gate. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, open the gate and give him the glad tidings. Hazrat Abu Musa Ashari radiyallahu anhu said, I went there and found that he was Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu. So I opened the gate and gave him the glad tidings of paradise. Thereafter another man asked to open the gate. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam sat down and said, open the gate and give him glad tidings of paradise after a catastrophe. I went there to see Hazrat Usman bin Affan radiyallahu anhu there. I opened the door, gave him the glad tidings of paradise and said what the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said. Hazrat Usman radiyallahu anhu whereupon said, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, grant patience. Or he said, only Allah's help is sought. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6162.